Good morning. Today's goal is to take pictures and list this box of shoes. These are all shoes I got at Mound City Auctions last week. These are 2 boxes of shoes that my sister gave me. She does give me my niece's old shoes because she would just donate them, and so she just started giving me the shoes. She'd give me their clothes too, but I don't want to mess with their clothes. Shoes are a lot easier, and I always sell their shoes pretty quickly. She's giving them to me, no obligation. I don't need to give her the money, but I do keep track of what money I make from these shoes, and I'm setting it aside and I am giving it to the girls. So just doing it because, they're my nieces. So, and they are in so many. This Abby gave this to me. Anyway. They're in sports, and so I just need to clean these up a little, and then and then these are, oh my god, those look brand new. So hopefully they're worth something. I earn the girls a little money. And then now these are shoes from the auction. So I don't even know what I got. Because again, it was just like a box full of shoes. They should be new, bigger sizes. Okay, this has a pair of tights, unexpected. This is pretty. Teal suede. Those are neat. So even though they're not like any like famous name brand, as long as they're unique or in a bigger size, they will sell. I sell non-name brand shoes all the time. Let's see. These are really pretty. Patent red. I like those. And I do not sell the shoes in the boxes because I ship all my shoes in priority shoebox size. So, and I just, don't mention the boxes in the listing, and no one has ever complained. So, oh my god, these are beautiful. Are these my size? I think these are 9. I wear 8. I wish these were my size. What size is this? Size 40. I think that's a size 9. That's too bad, because I really like these. US size 9. Oh, such a bummer. Alright, what is this? This is, I don't know what this is. This was just in the box. I don't know. Some kind of like maybe a scarf. And here's a little box. These are just gold-toned flats. Those are new. Yeah, so I don't think any of these have been worn. These are, ooh, what's these? Black sequincy glitter. Is that a word? Sequincy? I don't think so. Alright, those are neat. And this is a vintage purse. I remember that this was part of the lot. Just a little vintage handbag. That is very cute. And then this Lane Bryant. Ooh, these are long black boots, tall boots, whatever you call them. There's buckles. I like that. Is that just a schmutz? That's just schmutz. Alright. I think I remember these are all like size 9. Bummer. So I will not be keeping any of these, which I guess is good. Otherwise, I don't need any more new shoes. Oh, I really like those. Very nice. And the best thing about new shoes is you don't have to clean them, because I hate cleaning shoes. These, two-toned, red and black with suede. They have been worn. I don't know what brand that is, but that looks cool. These look a little older by the box. It just looks a little older. That's okay. And then these are just plain black pumps. I probably will not list these. These are worn. The brand is rubbed off. I'll probably just donate those. They're nothing special. And I'm probably just going to throw them away because I see some mold spots right there. Throw that one away. And then the last box is, let's see. Ooh, I like these too. Navy blue. They have not been worn. So interesting. looks like only 2 of the pairs of shoes were worn. So actually, this is going to be an easy day. Not that many boxes of shoes. Get those pictures taken. I'll have it done before lunch. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is my project for the day. And anyway, I will see you later.